Ukrainian forces have taken out a Russian ammunition railway connecting Kherson to Crimea and further blocking Russian supply lines, the UK Ministry of Defense said Wednesday. The intelligence update said that Russian forces would likely be able to repair the line that logistically connects occupying forces in the south to more robust supplies on the Crimean Peninsula, but noted it will remain a vulnerability. Russia has constructed at least 2 pontoon ferry crossings capable of transporting civilians, vehicles and supplies to its forces after Ukrainian troops damaged the strategically important Antonovsky Bridge last week using US-supplied HIMARS. Fighting in Kherson has intensified in recent weeks as Ukrainian forces make advances to push out Russian troops from what the UK Defense Ministry described as the most politically significant population center occupied by Russia. It is likely we will see an increase in civilians attempting to flee Kherson and the surrounding area as hostilities continue and food shortages worsen, the ministry said Wednesday. Fleeing civilians will likely increase pressure on Kherson transport routes and force Moscow to impose circulation restrictions, British intelligence suggested. On Tuesday, regional authorities said Ukrainian troops had retaken 53 settlements in the region, which has been occupied since early March, as Kyiv pushes forward with a large-scale offensive in the south. Repelling Russian forces from Kherson would be a major win for Ukraine, as the region sits as the first line of defense across the Dnieper River and separates western and southern Ukraine from the Crimean Peninsula, which Russia has occupied since 2014. However, as Ukraine makes advances west of the Dnieper River, forces fighting in the Donbas region north of Crimea continue to endure hellish conditions. President Volodymyr Zelensky said the battlefield situation is just hell in the Donbas, despite US-supplied heavy artillery systems. The word HIMARS has become almost synonymous with the word justice for our country, and the Ukrainian Defense Forces will do everything to ensure that the occupiers experience more and more painful losses every week, thanks to these very effective systems, Zelensky said in his nightly address Tuesday. We still cannot completely break the advantage of the Russian army in artillery and in manpower, and this is very tangible in the battles, especially in Donbas, he continued. It's just hell there. It can't even be described in words, he added. The UK Defense Ministry assessed that Russian forces control roughly all the Luhansk region in the northern Donbas, while Donetsk is still fiercely contested, with Russia occupying roughly half of the region. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.